Shopee.com login. How to log in Shopee account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to log in to Shopee account, open your preferred browser firstly and in the search bar search for www.shopee.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Shopee. Here, you will be able to see various countries. Go ahead and tap on your country. You will now see the login option on the top right of the dashboard. Tap on that. Now go ahead and enter your login credentials. You can enter your phone number, username, or email address. Once done, enter your account's password and tap on the login button. And this is how you can log in to Shopee account. Just in case if you have forgotten the password, then tap on the Forgot Password option and recover your password. Also, if you want to log in with an SMS verification code, then tap on the Login with Phone Number option. You can also log in to Shopee using your Facebook account or your Google account. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.